Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have wedding album background collection. These are in JPG files and property is 2.20 GB, and you see here 2333 files in 10 folders. Okay, you can use in banner background, poster background, or anywhere. So here is dark 209 files. Here is resolution is wow, you can change color, you can use anywhere. So here is 209 atoms and double. You see the double, you can change or you can crop if you need. Here is total 360 atoms. All are in high definition and resolution is 7200 by 2400. Wow, amazing. Here is flower and 225 atoms. Here you can change color. For example, I drag this file in Photoshop, press Ctrl U. I tell you just for new user. Wow. Okay, these are in RGB color. And next is H strip. Here is 122. Wow, you see the quality of background. Next is light color. You see, wow, wonderful. Here is 459 atoms. All files are HD and same resolution, 7200 by 2400. You can change color. I know you better know. Press Ctrl U or who. Wow, like this. Okay. Next is link. Here is 144 files. You see, wow, brilliant design. Okay, and plan. This folder have 127 atoms. Wow, plan. I think equal color or some design, some effects like this. Oh, no design here. I think is plan, just a color or look like grandens only apply. So here is shadow, 336 atoms. Wow, but you don't worry, I compressed this file in 1 point something GB, so you can download easily. Wow, wonderful. Texture. Here is 276. Wow, you see the design. Okay, and last is V strip. Here is 75. Wow, area look like a fitting album background. Right. Wow. Basically a fitting card background. Okay, I drag this any file like lightning, drag to Photoshop. I write my channel name, for example resolution is 72, and write Sheri SK, or any name. My WhatsApp number is +92 3151 43202. I'll remove this. Why? $150 or 200. Okay, I tell you, just for example, you can write anything or you make any background. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.